Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku with 4 stars. I will continue in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 21st, 2020. Yes, the second Sudoku I will solve is a 4 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 1782. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Why shall I do this? Because it's an indication of the difficulty level for you. The less printed digits, the more difficult it will be. But it's not always true. Sometimes if you have a Sudoku with a lot of pairs, then it will be also very difficult. Anyway, I have counted all the printed digits. I have stopped counting it. Stop the count. This one has 24. Yes. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? In this middle row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6s in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in that box, so 1 box left for the 6 should be here. Then let me see. A 2 in this row, a 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. We have a pair here, 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7 in this column, in that column, so the middle column, the 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. I cannot write that down directly. That means the other numbers 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 1. Complicated. All right. Let me see. Can I do? Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And we have a pair. Nope, we don't. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Let me see. 6, 6. Yes, we have a pair now. 8 in this column. In this row, we have the 8 and the 6 in this row. We have the 8 and the 6 in the row below. So in that row, the 8 and the 6 should be here. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And then alright, yes, In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 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 The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between. The only two places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number? And the 4 should be here. Alright. Alright. 2, 2. Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means in one of those two boxes is a 2 in this row. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be the 2, and this box should be a 7. Alright. So now we have the 2 there. 5, 3, 3. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. Yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, and 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And now let me think. In this row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here a 5 in this big square, so no 5s in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there. We see here 5, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes are left for the numbers 3 and 1. Let me mark them for you. 3 and 1. That means the other 2 boxes are left in this row for the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7. Let me mark them again. It's a pair. Alright. 2, 2, 2, 2, 7, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8. 8. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And I've marked those two boxes with a dot for the number 8, because we have an 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row above, the only place for the 8 should be here. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, only place for the 8. Oh, double 9. What is this? Did I make a mistake here? This is not correct. Let me use the correction marker. This is not correct. Why did I mark this box with a 9? I already have a 9 here. Not correct, not correct. Alright. So the 8 should be in one of those two boxes. Alright. Let me think. 3 missing numbers. The 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. Wow. We have a 6 here and a 1 there. So 1 digit left should be the 3. The 6 and the 1 goes in those two boxes. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 1 goes there. These two boxes are reserved for 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Let me mark them for you. 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. This should be the 3 and the 1. Those two boxes, the 9 and the 7. Do we have a 9 and a 7 here? No. No. Alright, so those 3 numbers in this row, the missing numbers here are the 1, the 2, and the 9. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9, that means 1 digit left in this big square for the number 7. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. Alright. So in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 7 in that row, the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be here. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this is going to be 7 anymore. This should be the 7. And this should be a 5. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 could be here, could be there. Alright. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. And I remember here 1, the 2, and the 9 are left. We have a 9 here, we have a 2 here. So no 9 and a 2 in this box. The 9 and the 2 goes in these two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 5 and 3. Let me mark them again, 5 and 3. So the other numbers are the 2, 7, and a 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be in one of those two boxes. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 9. We have a 7 now, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7. Alright. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. And the 8 is missing. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. Alright. So the other 3 numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 9. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, and 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 9. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and the 9 goes in these two boxes. We see here a 9. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. No, I cannot fill this yet. 3 and 1. 3 and 1 in this column. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. Now we have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. And 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Yes, this was the mistake. The 1. Alright. 2 boxes left in this row, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this first column for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 3. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 3 and the 2. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. 18 minutes, yes. It's longer than the previous Sudoku, but I'm very, very pleased. Because I have solved this within 30 minutes. Actually in 18 minutes. I'm pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you in a minute with the last 2 Sudokus. It will be a tectonic and a binary puzzle. So see you later. Bye bye for now.